Are you getting the most from your air fryer? Most people aren't. The right setup means crispier food and faster cooking. Let's fix that right now. Soggy Brussels sprouts, uneven cooking, greasy results. Traditional methods let you down every time. You deserve better. Your air fryer is already capable of it. Air fryers use high heat and circulating air. You get a crispy exterior with a tender inside. Less oil, more flavor. Ready in 15, 20 minutes. Total game changer. High heat and circulating air nail that crispy exterior every time. No excess oil needed. Just perfect roasted flavor in minutes. Brussels sprouts have never tasted this good. Want more than sprouts? The 9 best air fryer cookbooks for 2026 open up a world of recipes. Snacks to full dinners. Your air fryer can handle it all. Thanksgiving just got easier. The 9 best air fryers for turkey in 2026 deliver juicy golden results. No giant oven needed. Bigger capacity, faster cook times, incredible flavor. Don't skip care and safety. Dishwasher-safe baskets make cleanup effortless. Simple habits protect your appliance for years. Air fryer guidance covers every tip you need. Air fryer guidance does the hard research so you don't have to. Honest buyer checklists, real product comparisons, expert picks trusted by thousands of home cooks every day. Stop guessing. Start cooking smarter today. Every recommended pick, buyer's checklist, and expert tip is waiting at airfryerguidance.com. Visit airfryerguidance.com, best air fryer accessories / and cook your best meal tonight.